Hi everyone, my name is Brittany and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm starting a new series called Stylish on a Budget, where I'm going to be upgrading my wardrobe and fashion sense, but on a budget. And starting off this week strong, we have shoulder bags. I'm obsessed with a good shoulder bag. Buying new bags can be really expensive, and then the added cost of having cute little bag charms, it's too much for me to handle because I'm broke and I want to be cute and fashionable like everyone else. So, as any fashion TikToker has ever done, I went to the thrift store. And let me tell you, I scored big. I went to Goodwill and I didn't film there because I'm still nervous to film in public. But I found this bag and she is gorgeous. Look at her. I got this purse for $3.99 at the thrift store. I think that's a steal. A $4 shoulder bag? Come on, you can't beat a $4 shoulder bag in like the perfect color and size for me. But I kind of want to style her up a bit and stay in with the trends. Now I'm going to show you guys some low cost bag charms that you could make with just a few supplies. And hopefully you have most of this at home. First charm we're making is this viral paracord knot keychain that I've been obsessed with. I think they're so cute. People add gems to it, add different styles, different rope colors, and I just think the knot itself is super unique. So I started off with just one long piece of paracord. I don't really have a measurement for you guys. I kind of just made it super long so that I had extra. And basically what you want to do is want to put your keyring in the middle of all of it. And you're going to form a cross with your paracord like this. You're going to take the bottom and cross it over the right side. Then you're going to take the right side and cross it over the top loop. Then you're going to take the top loop and cross it over the left loop. And then take the left loop and try to find the hole where you had crossed the first piece over the right piece and stick it through. And then you're kind of left with something like this. You need to pull it tighter. And then once you've pulled it tight, you're going to flip it over. And then you see these like little loops. You kind of want to pull those loose so that you can have like that cute little extra pieces hanging out later. And then you're going to flip it back over and just repeat everything I just did. So bottom over the right one, right over the top, top over the left, and left over the bottom, but then into the loop that we made earlier with the bottom and the right. Then you should be left with something like this. Super cute, I know, and it's perfect. I love her. Then I just took some chain and beads and wire that I had left over from old projects that I had. But basically, I took a little piece of chain and I connected it through one of the loops on the keychain. Then I threaded on all of my beads that I wanted. Finishing off the actual paracord keychain itself, I just tied the two ends that are sticking out into little knots. Then I just burned the bottom of the cord so that they don't have a bunch of flyaways and come apart. Next, we're gonna attempt a animal keychain. I got two different colors of fabric. This is all just scraps of fabric I found around my house. I used a piece of paper first to cut out the pattern that I wanted for the rabbit. I pinned it together onto the fabric and cut that out. And then I wanted the eyes to be a button and a star, so I made a star out of the other color of fabric that I had. This next step, I used a sewing machine, but if you don't have a sewing machine, you could probably hand stitch it. I honestly think I would rather hand stitch it. I kind of messed it up in a few spots on the sewing machine, but I used a zigzag stitch to make it kind of like more unique looking on the edges. And then I left a little hole open so that I could stick fabric through and have like stuffing. I didn't have stuffing, so I just used old scraps of fabric that I had and I shoved it in there. And then I glued the star eyeball on. Struggled with the button a little bit, but I sewed the button on. Look how it turned out. It's a little goofy looking, but like I kind of like her. Like I feel like the goofiness and like the ugliness kind of adds character. Now here's the fun part. We get to style our bag with the charms that we just made. Starting off with the ugly little bunny that I made, but it's kind of like cute at the same time. I'm thinking I want it on this side. I'm just gonna clip that on. It's already so cute. Like, come on. Like, even though it's ugly, it like adds character to like your purse. And then the little cute knot chain that's been going viral. Who knew how easy it would be to make? I'm gonna clip it on the other side of the strap. Okay, look how cute that is. I actually might put them together. Okay, that is so cute. I also got one more thing from the thrift store and it's this scarf. I thought it was so pretty because it's like brown with like shimmery brown stripes. Only $1.99. Another steal. Maybe we can put it on the purse and see how it looks. I think I'm gonna tie it to this side of the strap because there's a lot going on there. Kind of braided it onto the strap. Now I'm just gonna tie a knot and give it a little bow. Okay, this is what the bow looks like. I think I like the bow. I'm not sure yet. Here is the final result. I just love a good bag charm keychain. The bag charm keychains are literally my favorite trend going around right now. I feel like they add so much character to your person and just like your overall sense of style. But anyways, stay tuned for more of the series. If you like this, comment down below your favorite fashion trend going on right now. But thank you for watching. Bye!